Alright, so it's 6:30 p.m. and I've just made it out of Slab City, just past the Salton Sea down in California, coming across from Phoenix. And yeah, I did like 260 miles today to get out here and have a look around, and there's yeah, not much around, but I've been told I can pretty much camp anywhere. Just pick up a pile of dirt and stick the tent on there and good to go. So yeah, I'm going to do that in a minute and have a quick look around first, and then check out the rest of Slab City tomorrow. Going inside. Please stay on the yellow brick road. Holy moly. Okay, this has to be one of the coolest places I've seen. Oh, wow. That is freaking amazing. Oh, my battery's dying. At least it's nice and cool in here as well. Wow. So here. Well, I think I'm going to be safe camping out here tonight. Seems to be a lot of God is love. Jesus loves you. Jesus once said no to me. Well, that's a whole other story. Wow. Follow the yellow brick road out of here. Sunset. Slab City, baby. I think this is one of the coolest things I've ever seen. What is one man's trash is another man's treasure. So this is just East Jesus, which is a part of Slab City. But my god, there's some cool shit. Some absolutely cool shit. Killer crocodile made out of mesh. Burnt out car. Piano over there. It's trying to be a pirate boat. And of course, this massive area in the middle of nowhere. East Jesus, baby. Don't forget it.